Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and welcome to my channel Fries and Shine. Here you will find evidence-based, no-nonsense, nutrition-related information. In today's video, I've compiled a list of my top 10 favorite foods to eat at night when I get hungry. Now this list is by no means exhaustive and will differ on your personal dietary preferences, your health needs, and your likes and dislikes. I hope you were able to catch my video on the truth about late night eating. If not, you can find it linked in the description below. To quickly sum it up for you, that video talks about how it is absolutely normal and even healthy to eat at night if you are hungry. It is always the quality and the quantity of what you're eating that determines how it will affect your health, way more than the time at which you eat it. So here are my top 10 ideas for snacks at night if you should get hungry. 1. Masala milk. This is warm milk to which you can add a couple of nuts and spices. Dairy is a great option to do at night as it's a perfect combination of carbs, protein and fat which will give you both energy and fullness. You can also add a couple of nuts to it, absolutely anything that you like. So almonds, cashews, walnuts, anything that you like the taste of. And you can add spices like elchi and kesar to it too. 2. Fruit and nuts. Fruit is also a great snack to eat before you sleep. It's small, it's compact, it's a great source of energy and the fiber in it will keep you really full before you sleep. Do note, some fruits are super fibrous and it may be tough to sleep on all of that fiber. So choose your fruits appropriately. If fruit alone doesn't do it for you and you feel more hungry, you can add some nuts to it to make it feel more full. 3. A slice of bread or khakra with homemade cream cheese. Cream cheese is really easy to make at home. It's basically a bunch of paneer that you just put into a blender, add some salt to it and blend it. It becomes really creamy and it acts as a great spread for khakra or for bread. It's a fun and filling snack. 4. A couple slices of paneer with chaat masala. If the cream cheese seems too tedious to prepare, you can simply eat the paneer raw, sprinkle some chaat masala or any other kind of flavoring that you like over it. 5. Cucumber plus hummus or any vegetable of your choice really. Any pulse-based snack will be really filling even in small quantities. 6. Cucumber plus any yogurt-based dip. Dairy to the rescue once more. It really is so versatile. You can check my Instagram account for some yogurt-based recipes that you can snack on at night with vegetables of your choice. 7. A handful of sing and chana. This is a quick, can keep at your bedside snack. Plus, if you've ever had chana with the chilka, you'll know that it's super dry. This is a great snack which allows you to self-regulate portions because it will force you to drink water, which will also add to your feeling of fullness. 8. A portion of leftovers for dinner. This is really my favorite kind of late night snack, especially when there's something that I really like to eat at dinner. I usually keep a small portion either to eat at night or the next day. This way, my body knows that it's available for me to eat if I wish to again, and it reduces the chances of me overeating at dinner. Well, most times. 9. Popcorn or makhana and nuts. Again, a super duper whole grain snack which is really fun to eat, especially when you're watching TV at night, if you do that. Again, to make this more filling, you can add some nuts. 10. An energy ball or an energy bar. This is a pretty wholesome snack and this can be made and kept in advance for many weeks. Generally and ideally, this would be a combination of some kind of grain plus some kind of sweetener like dates along with some kind of nuts. It's a really nice balanced snack that will help you keep full at night. So those were my top 10 go-to options for snacks at night. But like I said, this list can go on and on. You need to figure what works for you. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, Please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with other people you think may benefit from it. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave them in the comment section below or you can email me. My email ID is mentioned at the end of this video. I hope to see you soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.